Buy Latam is the new B2B platform that connects factories and buyers across Latin America through AI, data, and trust. Smart commerce, 100% Latin American. Our data engine identifies factories and buyers across the region. It organizes information, creates product listings, and understands supply and demand across the Latin American market. Factories onboard easily. AI validates their information and generates complete catalogs in minutes. Each profile is verified and ready to operate. For buyers, onboarding is just as seamless. Part of their information is already in place, and the platform adapts the experience by country, language, and category. From the first use, it recommends relevant factories and new purchasing opportunities. AI analyzes millions of data points and builds a personalized view for each buyer. Clean, relevant, and optimized for decision-making. Commerce is managed through natural language. Buyers can request comparisons, cost structures, and contact with suppliers. AI executes in seconds and creates ready-to-send messages, saved directly in the project's module. Every buyer search becomes an opportunity for factories. AI detects matches and prioritizes leads with the highest potential. Manufacturers can analyze demand, segment prospects, and send personalized messages in seconds. Greater efficiency, smarter commercial management, and broader reach. Factories, buyers, and data connected in one system. Buy Latam. Smart commerce, frictionless, 100% Latin American.